Storage optimized bedroom. Expand Furniture transformed this bedroom into a neat, visually appealing room with a crazy amount of storage. The bedroom has a king lift under storage bed and a storage headboard behind the bed that can be used as storage for your extra pillows. The modular cupboards surrounding the bed have a simple design of 2 drawers for socks and underwear and an upper cabinet for hanging clothes. The design for the storage cupboards above the bed is 24 inches in depth, which allows you to store more items and organize them better. RDM Furniture Design. RDM Furniture Design is a company that offers functional and space-saving furniture to maximize space. For example, this folding desk is ideal for those who need a lot of office supplies on hand during the workday. Here's another product for the same company called Mic TV Cabinet. It's a TV cabinet with a swivel screen. It could be the perfect space divider with ample storage. Also, this dinky fold-up desk is perfect for quite literally tucking work away at the end of the day. Plus, this piece of furniture is a good option whether you're looking for a desk or a TV stand. Its length can be adjustable according to your space and need. Flat Studios Home Designs. Flat Studios offers home design solutions and space-saving furniture to make living in a tiny apartment easier or more convenient in a spacious space. Their products have a dual purpose that helps you expand your living space. For example, this coffee table can transform into a desk for a laptop. This wall bed desk is another example of their multi-purpose products. It's one of the best solutions for your home, office, or guest room. It provides a necessary working area in a tiny space and frees up the room for leisure time. Luckily, there's no need to sacrifice having a guest room or an office when you have both with Multifunctional Smart furniture. Flat Studios also offers this transforming table that can be adjusted to fit any home. This table can easily be expanded from a small console to a dining room table that seats up to 12 guests. Multifunctional Smart Kitchen Island. This smart kitchen island is really for every kitchen because of its compact design that integrates many functions. The compact design offers an expandable tabletop, 2 drawers, sliding doors, and towel bars to maximize storage capacity. Omont Modern Sectional Sofa. This spacious sectional sofa from Jubilee Furniture offers a mix of modernity and comfort. It features a built-in console table and storage spaces ideal for magazines or books. The side of this leather sectional is illuminated by multicolored lights that can be controlled remotely. The unique geometric design of the sides of this couch quickly catches the eye of your guests. It also features USB ports, Bluetooth speakers, and adjustable headrests to optimize ultimate enjoyment. This sectional sofa has contrasting colors, available in 10 different colors of genuine Italian or bonded leather. Folding sewing table. One of the keys to having time to sew is having a small, dedicated area where you can keep your sewing machine set up. A great way to do this is to have a specialty sewing cabinet or table that allows you to have your sewing machine easily available. For instance, this sewing table can fold out to provide a vast surface area which allows you to complete your work perfectly. Expandable dining table. This dining table is one of the most functional and versatile pieces of furniture. Whether you're looking for a dining option or a workspace with extra storage, this table is a good pick. Folding bed. For smaller rooms or spaces, folding beds are an ideal pick. These beds are also helpful when you have unexpected guests overnight. This foldable bed is perfect for home, garden area, backyard, or any other outdoor or indoor use. Simply unfold it, a center table will transform into a comfy bed to host your guests in a few seconds. Bosch Bedding. This high-low bed is perfectly suitable for elderly and the disabled because of its possibility to move vertically up to 1 meter. In addition, the head and foot are also electrically adjustable.